How to fix Stremio add-ons not working. So if you want to fix your Stremio add-ons not working, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Stremio application. Once you open the application, now you can just simply go with add-ons section, which is here on the bottom left. Once you go with the add-ons, here you'll have the add-on section, install add-ons or all add-ons, or you can also go with search add-ons. Or you may also have two options, which is official add-ons and community add-ons. So you can simply go with any add-on and then you can go with install, or just go with add add-on and then add the URL and install. And once you've done, then it will be installed. But if it is not installing and if you're facing a problem with the add-on, then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the other thing you need to make sure is your Stremio app is up to date, because if it is not updated or if it has any bugs, then it will be fixed by the update. So you just need to simply go and update the application. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.